Hello dear students. Today we are starting Unit 8, Tourism, Lesson 4, Communication. Before starting my class, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you love my videos, please don't forget to touch like button under the video. Thank you. Here we go. So let's first of all look at the new words. So first one, foreign tourists. Foreign tourists. Foreign tourist mean in Vietnamese duk hak nuk ngoi. Tourism. And tourist attraction. Beauty spot. Welcoming is kind of adjective. Break the bank. Affordable is kind of adjective. Affordable. And next one is landscape is kind of noun. Cuisine is kind of noun. Task 1A. Read the following information about tourism in Vietnam. In 2014, a total of 7,874,300 foreign tourists visited Vietnam. What are the reasons that make Vietnam a tourist attraction for foreigners? Here is what some foreign visitors had to say. There are so many beauty spots. Halong Bay is breathtaking. The people are so friendly and welcoming. Things are affordable here. We can have lovely time without breaking the bank. The food is delicious and not expensive. I love the seafood. So people are talking about landscape and the people, the price and cuisine. So exercise B. Working groups. Discuss the visitor's opinion above. Do you agree? Add two more reasons to the list. Example. Yes, I agree with the opinions above. Especially the third opinion is completely right. The things are really not expensive in Vietnam if compared to most of other countries. That's why tourists love Vietnam, and also here hotels and resorts are affordable, reasonable. Most of tourists can spend really good time in Vietnam, so they prefer Vietnam to other countries. It is just example or just sample. So if you want, you can write it on your notebook and you can read in the classroom. And there are here some more opinions. So cultural diversity, beautiful beaches, and easy and various means of transport. In Vietnamese. And traditional festivals. Lễ hội truyền thống. Natural beauty. Thiên nhiên trôi đẹp. Handmade shops. Fresh food. Task 2. These are top 10 most visited countries according to the figures published by United Nations World Tourism Organization. Working pairs complete the table by writing one or two famous things that visitors can see or do in each country. There is here table as you see. Let's start the first one. First one is example France, and next one is United States of America. So you can visit the Statue of Liberty, or you can visit the Grand Canyon, or you can shop in New York, or you can go surfing in Hawaii. And Spain. So in Spain you can have a Madrid tour, or you can visit the legendary land of Don Quixote, visit the Olympic ring in Barcelona. And China. You can climb the Great Wall, or you can have a tour to Beijing National Stadium, Bird's Nest, or you can have a tour to the Forbidden City, or you can visit the Stone Forest. What about in Italy? In Italy, you can visit the Vatican City, or you can visit famous museum, or you can have a tour to Florence, or you can have a tour to Venice. In Turkey, you can enjoy Turkish cuisine in Istanbul, or you can go sightseeing in the Bosphorus, the strait separating two continents, Europe and Asia. Also, you can visit Büyükada. And in Germany, you can visit the Jewel of Middle Age, Rothenburg ob der Tabur, Rothenburg above the Tower, or you can visit the famous Cinderella Castle, and you can go up the Berlin Tower. In United Kingdom, in the United Kingdom, you can go sightseeing in London, and you can visit Stonehenge, and you can visit Liverpool, or you can go home of the Beatles. Russia. In Russia, you can have a Moscow tour. You can go to Kremlin, Red Square, and Moscow Metro. And also you can visit St. Petersburg. In St. Petersburg, you can visit Hermitage Museum and cruise on Neva River, and you can also have an experience you can experience the White Nights in St. Petersburg. In Mexico, you can visit the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Antigua, and you can also have a boat tour on the water in Rio Duque, or you can try the delicious local special tapado, seafood coconut soup, and you can climb some of the tallest Mayan temples. So, it's the table. We have already read them. And we have finished this table before, and you can also read one more time here. And now task 3. Working groups. Discuss which country or place you would like to visit for a holiday. For example, I'd like to go to Spain for my holiday. It would be wonderful to tour Madrid and visit the legendary land of Don Quixote. Okay, and next example, I'd like to visit the United States for my summer vacation. It sounds really exciting to me to see the Statue of Liberty, visit the Grand Canyon, and go surfing in Hawaii. And it is in Vietnamese. This one is also. Okay. So Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, I will be very happy. Don't forget to touch thumb button under the videos. Thank you again. See you soon. Bye bye.